Hey gang, Poppy here. This is the first of probably many media comment videos I will be making. And in the spirit of Joe Bob at the movies, you ever watch Joe Bob at the movies? It was a TV show on cable. It's a good old boy talking about the movies. He just went to drive-in, saw. He'd have his beverage and a styrofoam cup over it. Presume either to keep bugs from flying in it or maybe the isolation effect keep it cooler a little while longer. I don't know. Anyway, that's good. Now, since we've got Paramount Plus, I mean, one of the girls decided that she had to have it. We've got it. It's in. It's paid for. What the hell, right? I say, well, I heard all kinds of commercials about that Mandalorian. And I also figure, well, how bad can it be? Give me something to bitch about in the video. You get where this is going? Okay, I knew it was going to be bad, right? I mean, it's going to be total drag. I wasn't expecting to laugh and chuckle and snigger. I mean, spoiler alert, plug your ears. I'll tell you when to unplug them. Okay, plug them. I thought it was absolutely cute that Grogu would eat a frog. Didn't surprise me, though, that he'd eat frog eggs. That's the dog and Christy. Anyway, I wasn't expecting, I'd find the cuteness and the interaction between Mando. I don't think I caught his name anyway. Mandalorian. He went swimming in the lake under the forge, and he didn't see the monster, but Starbuck did. Oh yeah, the female character who went swimming to rescue him was played by the actor, performer who portrayed Starbuck on the Edward James Olmos Battlestar Galactica, as opposed to the Dirk Benedict from the Lauren Green Battlestar Galactica. Although I've frequently called it Cattle Car Galactic. I don't remember who I got that appellation for it from, but let's face it, the Lauren Green production of Battlestar, they did not respect the genre. Otherwise, why would Battlestar Galactica meet the devil on some planet? And Star Trek thought it was original when Kirk met God on some planet and he needed a starship so he could leave. And Kirk said, why does God need a ship? No, seriously, why does God need a ship? Anyway, right? So, anyway, the rest of the Mandalorian was low grade, violence in action, You know, and other than the interaction between the Mandalorian and Grogu, didn't care for it. Did not. Uh, I did a quick look at the book of Boba Fett, and I'm not going back. I'm sorry, it just didn't get me. Now, Obi-Wan Kenobi, I had interest in, and it was good enough that I would actually watch it. Of course, then, it brought up some questions as to how Obi-Wan wouldn't know there was another young Jedi they could count on. He was talking about Leia, you know, but then it wasn't he didn't know that Leia was a sister. He wasn't counting on her. Yeah, they're going to have to revise that one so it isn't anti woke, I guess. Okay, I've been watching The Orville. I never watched it on TV. I knew who started it and who the producer of it was, and I said, no, Anyway, I've been watching it. Instead of expecting science fiction, I've been expecting comedy, and I've been finding it semi-enjoyable. Uh, Not very original, find someone else's plot, change names and diseases or how they died, and work your miracle. Uh, that's it for right now on the media comment about TV and movies and all that. I'm going to stop you, and I got to record another one because it's a comment to another YouTuber.